So Google is set to report earnings after the market closes today, and this is everything that you need to know about it. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you learned something new, and if you do, maybe you can consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing if you feel like we earned it. So first off, I want to, and this is pure speculation, I think market's incredibly overbought on the day. It's pushing up for no reason. There's no positive news that is coming out. There's no progress when it comes down to the negotiations of China and the US. Yet markets are still pushing. Markets are eager for them to recover. Markets are oversold, so I get that. But I want to remind you, is our problem that, again, caused the market to sell off still present? Yes, then why are markets still pushing up? Again, always markets getting ahead of themselves. I want to remind you, today is the first $1 trillion company that is set to report earnings, and that's going to be after the market closes. I do not have to, and I really don't even necessarily want to, but if enough of you, I'm going to aim for 1,500 likes. If this video gets over 1,500 likes, so just drop a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel, I'll go live at market close so we can watch it together as Google is set to report earnings. So what is Google's expectation, mother company, obviously Alphabet, when it comes down to what they're expected to report? Alphabet is expected to report an EPS of $2.02 per share, which is, again, still showing signs of growth year over year. And when it comes down to revenue, is expected to be at $89 billion. So they did miss last quarterly earnings on revenue, but they did end up beating on earnings per share. So again, that is what the market is expecting for EPS and for revenue. When it comes down to there's like, for each company that reports earnings, just depending on the company, there's specific sectors that Wall Street might focus a little bit more on. And that's exactly what this thing covers. So it says that equates to about 11% top line expansion in Q1 2024 and 6% bottom, well, not that one. So Google search unit is expected to generate $50.5 billion in sales, rising 9% annually. And artificial intelligence heavy Google Cloud is forecasted to bring $12.3 billion, growing 28%. So these are projections and expectation. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is because if Google does end up meeting or coming below EPS and revenue, but if it exceeds in any of these levels that Wall Street is really paying attention to, I know that in my personal experience, the artificial intelligence and the Google Cloud is a big focus for Wall Street. They want to see that sector growing year over year. With that being said, if it's not showing signs of growth, even if Google does end up exceeding expectation for overall EPS and revenue, but Google Cloud is not growing, it could see a downturn. Again, it could also exceed expectation and everything else, but if it doesn't exceed it on Google Cloud, then Wall Street can, again, begin to retrace, or we can begin to see some selling pressure. I want to remind you, the earning report is one part. Then there's the earnings call, which is about 30 minutes to an hour after, where the executives will come on and talk about guidance. The big focus is how demand is projected to be for Google for 2025 and possibly 2026. This is something that Tesla failed to comment on because of their uncertainty of how tariffs were going to impact them in the short term. To me, that's a huge red flag. How are you not going to comment on something that is so uncertain for the entire world? I do not understand how Tesla was still able to get overhyped up and still cause Tesla stock to go up, but that's a conversation for another time. Google hasn't been a company that normally takes that easy route out. Again, it's a $1 trillion company. It's a very well-ran company. And it has been hit quite hard because of these tariffs, right? In the sense of this trade war. From highs of 206 to current lows of 157, some people think that the bottom is in. You guys can let me know down in the comment section what you think. This is still down about 23 to almost 24%. I personally believe overall, as long as the trade war concern is still present, because of that uncertainty, markets will still continue to downturn. It's not until we begin to actually show signs of progress that I believe that then Wall Street can get ahead of itself and begin to recover. But as of right now, we are oversold. Markets can begin to recover. But again, it's all dependent on Google and if it exceeds market's expectation. And we'll be finding out later today if it ends up doing it. Again, it's just my speculation. I think markets are overbought intraday. I think that they're going to retrace right before the market closes to de-risk. We see this over and over again. And again, it's pure speculation. It's just my opinion. Markets are so overbought, pushing up for no reason, that they will begin to retrace into the close because they are uncertain on how Google is going to report earnings. And I want to remind you, Google is not just any company. It's a $1 trillion company, 1.9 trillion to be exact. And yes, it does influence and has heavy influence on overall markets. So if Google skyrockets, that's going to be great for everyone that's invested. If Google drops like a rock, then yes, it will negatively impact everyone, as again, or at least most of tech and most of S&P 500, because of its exposure and its weight and influence that it has to the S&P 500 and that it has to the Nasdaq. So again, even though you might not be invested in Google, if you're invested in the S&P, if you're invested in Nasdaq and any of those tech companies, Google's earnings will most likely influence whatever you're invested in as well. So again, just something to pay attention to. So you guys let me know down in the comment section, or just again, get this video to over 1,500 likes, and we'll host our live session today after the market closes to watch Google report earnings. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and do not forget, if you ever want to watch me trade live every morning, second link in the description down below. We have a huge sale going on. You might want to check it out. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.